Logging hours in Jira helps track the time spent on tasks and manage project progress. Here's how to log hours in Jira. Open the issue. Navigate to the project that contains the issue you want to log time against. Click on the specific issue to open its detailed view. Log work. In the issue view, find the log work button or link. This is usually located under the More Options menu or directly within the time tracking section of the issue. Click on Log Work to open the time logging dialog. Enter time details. Time spent. Enter the amount of time spent on the task. Date started. Specify the date and time when the work was performed. Work description. Optionally, add a description or comment detailing what was accomplished during this time. Adjust remaining estimate. You can adjust the remaining time estimate for the task. Jira may automatically update this based on the time logged, but you can manually override it if needed. Save. Click Save or Log to record the time spent. The log time will now appear in the issue's time tracking section. Review logged hours. You can view and edit logged hours by looking at the Work Log tab within the issue. This helps track all work done on a particular issue.